from olive oil to bell peppers. Healthy meals should be very simple to make, easy to follow along for those who want to duplicate them. They should be appealing to the eyes and taste so delicious. They shouldn't be complicated like most food. They should be simple so that you will enjoy the meals after you're done. Welcome to NG Foodware. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made this veggie and black beans jar salad. But first, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Like and share my videos to all your friends and family. Feel free to share. So here I have lemon juice, just like that. I have black pepper, grind like however many I want. I have lime juice. And then let me cut everything together like so, not too much, but just to mix them together. So here, I added about 2 tablespoons in each of the jars. We layer the salad, like you're looking at it like here. I added olive oil to the mixture just to get some healthy oil in my system. After that, I did my vegetables. I started with the green on the bottom, then I added the red and all the other colors. Now when I was adding them, some of them have the red bell peppers, some have the orange bell pepper, some of them have the yellow, some don't. I think all of them have, never mind, all of them have yellow. And every one of them have the beans. Now, when I got to the next one that I'm gonna be adding, which is potatoes. Some of them got the wine potatoes, the Idaho potatoes. And some of them got the yam sweet potato. American wear yam potatoes, but it tastes so sweet. So it made the salad taste sweet a little. And then I topped it off with some more bell peppers just to get the color. Look at that. Doesn't it look cute? It looks appetizing. Now, getting them ready to be put in the fridge, I covered all of them one by one, and then I tightened it up. This is what it looks like. Doesn't that look such a vibrant color of salad? Makes you want to eat them right now, right? Again, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Like this video, share with all your friends, and I'll see you in my next video.